Hello friends. So in previous video I explained the values of trigonometrical ratio at specific angles. So take one examples for this question. Suppose if sin A plus B is equal to cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Find A and B. So sin and cos is equal to this. Very fast we explain. Sin A plus B is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2. So in sin theta the root 3 by 2 is sin 60. So A plus B is equal to 60, equation first. Same here in cos theta root 3 by 2 value is cos 30. In place of this we can put cos 30. So A minus B is equal to 30, equation number second. Means in place of this we can put the value in term of sine, because the expression shows sine, so you can take sine here. Here we can take cos. So A plus B equal to 60, A minus B equal to 30. So write down A plus B 60, A minus B 30. Solve the equation. 2A is equal to 90, A is equal to 45. Put in first. So 45 plus B is equal to 60. So B is equal to 15 degree. So A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree is your answer. Okay. Pause the video and note down. So next topic is find the value of trigonometrical ratio geometrically. You know angle in your syllabus 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we find all the values by using geometrically method. So first we find the value of, first we take if theta is equal to 45 degree. For this all you can see here the figure, that is a basic figure, triangle X, Y, Z. For this theta, this is 90 in right triangle, hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So in this basic figure of the right triangles, we have to apply the condition and to find the values of these angles of all trigonometrical ratio geometrically. How we find the values? Let's see. For theta 45, when here we take theta 45 degree. So you know it is triangle X, Y, Z is an isosceles right triangle. Why? If this X plus Y plus Z 180 degree, X 90, angle X 45 degree. If two angles are equal, so XY is equal to YZ. Let's take this is A. This is A. And you can find the value of XY, XZ by using Pythagoras theorem. So xz square xy square plus yz square, that is Pythagoras theorem. Xz you don't know, that is the hypotenuse. Perpendicular is a, base is also a. So h is equal to root 2a square, that is a root 2. Means perpendicular a, base a, hypotenuse a root 2. For using these values of this triangle, we find all trigonometrical ratio at 45 degree. Let's see what's very easy. After you can done these things, then sine 45 degree perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular in this triangle, that is xy a, hypotenuse in this triangle, that is xz a root 2. A cancel 1 by root 2. I am right? Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. You can see the table. Same for cos 45 degree, b by h, a base a, hypotenuse a root 2, 1 by root 2. Tan 45, p by h, p by b, pa ba 1. Okay. Same for cot 45. Either you find this or the reciprocal of this, sec 45 root 2, or you can take b by p, a by a 1, h by b, a root 2 by a, that is root 2, cosec 45, p by h by p, a root 2 by a root 2. So that is the 6 10-minute trigonometrical values for 45 degree and at 45 degree angles, this by geometrically. Pause the video, note down. Next we take for 60 degree angle. So for your information, 60 degree and 30 degree are formed by using same figure. Take an equilateral triangle. If you not understand, so I explain why we take equilateral triangle. Because in equilateral triangle all sides are equal and all angles are equal to 60 degree. So you know, if you want to use trigonometrical ratio, first we want to find right triangle, but here no right triangle. So we construct xm perpendicular on yz. Before this, you know the value of this a and a, because all are equal. If you draw perpendicular m, so ym is equal to mz is equal to a by 2, because in equilateral triangle perpendicular bisect the base. Then here for 60 degree angle the triangle is xym, but in this triangle we know hypotenuse base but not perpendicular. So in triangle x y m, using Pythagoras theorem, xy square ym square plus xm square, a square xm not given, ym a by 2, that is not given. So xm square, a square minus a square for 4 LCM, xm whole root 4a square minus a square, 3a square by 4 is equal to xm, that is root 3a by 2. That is the value of xm. So we make a clear triangle here for you again. that is 60, x m y that is a by 2, that is root 3 a by 2, that is a. So hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Put all the values here. Okay. So for this question we have to rub them the basic figure. We again draw when you have to need 60, 60, 60, 60, 60 and 60. Perpendicular for this, that is xm upon xy root 3 a by 2 upon a, root 3 a by 2 into 1 by a cancel, root 3 by 2. That's just a value of sine 60. Then base upon hypotenuse, a by 2 upon a by 2 into 1 by a cancel, 1 by 2. Perpendicular, root 3 a by 2 upon base a by 2, root 3 a by 2 into 2 by a, 2 cancel, a cancel, root 3. Same, you can reciprocal these three all, so you can get cot, sec and cosec. Okay, so that is the for 60. If you want to find for 30 degree, we can rub here. You can also find the next three. Sine 30 degree, same p by h. But if you see a figure carefully, you are able to see here. Yes, that is x y m root 3 a by 2 a. Here if you find the angle, that is 30 degree. Why? This is 60, this is 90, this is 30. So for this angle, this is perpendicular base and that is the hypotenuse. Angle change, perpendicular base same, change, but the hypotenuse is always same. So p by h, that is a by 2 by a by 2 into 1 by a, 1 by 2. Cos 30 b by h root 3 a by 2 by a, root 3 a by 2 into 1 by a, root 3 by 2. Tan 30 p by b, p is a by 2 and b is root 3 a by 2, a by 2 into 2 by root 3 a, 2 cancel, a cancel, 1 by root 3. Same for cot, root 3 by 1, sec 2 by root 3, cosec 2 by 1. So this is for 60 degree angle and this is for 30 degree angle in same figure. Pause the video and note down. So take these two, most approx probably both are the same. For theta 0, if you know theta 0 and theta 90, triangle is not found. These all are the imaginary triangles. So you can check all the values at 0 and 90. There are only three values, either 0 or 1 or not defined. So why? If you take theta 0 means that is 90, base means theta 0 means this line 0 means this, means this hypotenuse are overlapped to here. So theta is equal to 0 degree and the perpendicular is snakes and the perpendicular should be 0. Means when theta 0, so triangle not form only a straight line. So in this case, perpendicular 0 and the hypotenuse are coincide with the base and they are equal. So find it. Sine 0 degree, p by h, p is 0, h 0. cos 0 degree, b by h, b and h equal, so h equal to b, 1, cancel. Tan 0, p by b, p is 0, b same, 0. Cot 0, b by p, that means b by 0, not defined. Sec 0, h by b, h and b equal 1. Cosec 0, h by p, h p0, not defined. So that is for 0 degree angle. Same logic used here. When you take theta 90. When theta 90, you can see here, if I say, suppose this is 45 degree, we can change the figure, that is 60, because when we near, the value of angle is increased. More nearer, 75. More nearer, 85. So when the theta become 90, so the hypotenuse is coincide with the perpendicular and the base should be 0. Finish. The base is Snooks. Then you can say the base should be 0 and the perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse, because this part is more nearer, and that is overlap to each other. So hypotenuse and perpendicular are coincides and base. Finish. So same, sin 90, p by h, p and h equal 1. Cos 90, b by h, b0, h0. Tan 90, p by b, p upon 0, not defined, नीचे 0, not defined. Cot 90, b by p, 0 by p, 0. Sec 90, h by p, h and p equal, h by b, sorry, h upon b, not defined. Cosec 90, h by p, h by p, both are equal, p by p, 1. So this is for the angle 90 degree. Pause the video, note down. They all are to find the value of the trigonometric ratio at the specific angles by geometrically. If in examinations only one comes, so you can find this concept and write anyone which want to question in examinations. Pause the video, note down.